Today we're going to dive deep into the world of keto, sharing the mistakes that I personally wish I could undo.
So, if you're on a keto journey or thinking about starting one, this video is for you. Before we jump into the mistakes, let me take you back to a time when I was navigating the keto lifestyle. It wasn't all smooth sailing, and I made some crucial errors along the way. Today, I'm here to spill the beans and help you avoid these pitfalls. Mistake number 1, neglecting micronutrients. While the keto diet is fantastic for weight loss and improved energy, it's easy to get caught up in the macronutrient game and forget about the essential vitamins and minerals our bodies need to function optimally. Mistake number 2. Overlooking hydration. It might sound simple, but staying properly hydrated is crucial on keto. I underestimated the impact of electrolyte imbalances and dehydration, leading to fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. Mistake number 3. Relying too heavily on processed keto products. It's tempting to grab those convenient snacks and treats labeled keto-friendly, but some of them can be loaded with artificial ingredients and preservatives. I learned the hard way that real, whole foods are the key to success. Mistake number 4. Ignoring individual needs. We're all unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to listen to your body, adjust your keto approach based on your specific needs, and consult with a healthcare professional if necessary. Solutions and tips. Now that we've covered these mistakes, let's talk solutions. Incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods, stay hydrated with water and electrolytes, limit processed keto products, and tailor your approach to what works best for you. Remember, it's a journey of self-discovery and improvement. Have you made any of these keto mistakes, or do you have your own to share? Drop a comment below, and let's build a supportive keto community. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more keto content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining me on this keto chat. Learn from my mistakes, stay positive, and keep crushing your keto.